Man. I hate everyone on this planet. What should I do? I know. I will make a fake EAS to get everyone scared and nervous. Ha 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 ha. Let's go to Plotagon Daily News headquarters. Now, it's time to change my voice to Rod to sound like the news announcer.
Everyone. A zombie apocalypse is at your area. Hide in your basements. Thank you! A zombie apocalypse? Phew. I made it on time. Wait a second. I think I know who did this. Clementine. I should have known all along.
Clementine, 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 Clementine. Get over here right now. Clementine. How dare you make that fake EAS report? Thanks to you, you have made everyone on this planet panic. That's it. You are grounded for a week. Go to your room now.